Hi, my name's Steve with American Lawnmower Company, and today we're going to talk about the assembly of the T-handle reel mowers. I've got them laid out here on the table for you. So what we've got are 2 upper handle sections, 2 lower handle sections, 3 bolts, 3 washers, and 3 wing nuts. So let's get them put together. It's best to get started, have all the parts laid out on a tabletop or a floor. That way you can see that you've got everything and it's easy to get assembled. We're going to first put together the 2 lower handle sections. Then you take the 2 upper handle sections and line up the 2 holes with the tops and the bottoms. Of the 3 bolts, you have 2 long and 1 short. To assemble the 4 handle sections, you need the 2 long bolts. After you get the bolts in, put the washers on the threaded side and tighten with wing nuts. Now take the 3rd and shorter of the 3 and attach the upper handles. You now have a fully assembled handle. Next, we're going to attach it to the reel itself. You'll look for 2 posts on each side with a small groove cut into them. First, what you'll do is you'll attach one side, and then the other side you'll have to squeeze into place. Reason for this is the outward pressure of the handle helps hold it into place. So you have one bolt on the other side of the handle, pull it towards you, line it up, slide it over the post, and put it in place. Now, a few tricks if you're having a difficulty getting it on like that. You can assemble the handle from the post on up and then just do as you saw earlier on the making of the handle. Or you can loosen the 2 lower wing nuts so you have some flex, attach it then, and then just retighten here. So now we've got the handle attached to the reel. The last step is putting on E-rings. That's just an added security to hold them in place. A tip to putting them on: take a pair of long nose pliers. Put the closed end at the end. Line up the E-ring with the little slot on the post you just put the handle on, and then push straight down. That will lock it in place. Then get your second E-ring and repeat it on the other side. And there you have it. Fully assembled reel, ready to go, done in just a couple of minutes' time. Visit AmericanLawnmower.com for other helpful videos and information on all of our products, including this reel and many more.